Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of the project, which is gear wear detection using convolutional neural network or deep learning. As per the gears are concerned, so if you consider the mechanical system or any mechanical machine, so it is having so many gears, and those gears may have a wear or they can their quality may degrade over the period of time due to maybe the friction or maybe the continuous use. Now it is very much important ki what kind of fault or what kind of wear that gear has occurred. So there can be so many different faults which can occur to that gear. So in order to detect all those stuff, we are using this kind of system or the convolutional neural network algorithm or the deep learning system to detect what exactly the kind of wear that particular gear is having. So as far as the data set is concerned, so we have actually collected some data sets. So this is the cutting wear samples. So this kind of things or this kind of images or this kind of samples are the cutting wear in that gear. So this is normal rubbing wear or the severe sliding wear. So many things are there which can be tested. As per the model accuracy is concerned, which we have trained. So here is the accuracy of model. So almost after 50 epochs, we are getting near about 100% training and testing accuracy. And this is the confusion matrix we can see. So all the parameters on the diagonal side, so we can say that these things are having the good accuracy, and also the loss curves, so minimum loss we have observed after 50 epochs. So that's the thing about this, and we are using the Flask framework as to create a web application, and also the Python programming language for the backend purpose. And in the front end side, we are using HTML and CSS to code that front end part or that GUI of this application. So once this is in running condition, we have to simply go on the browser and we'll type localhost 5000. So this kind of window will open. Now, next important thing is that we have to detect, we have to upload the images and then we have to detect. So here we can choose the file. For example, I will pick any sample from this. So and then upload. So once it is uploaded, then I will click on the test. So using the convolutional neural network, so it has detected that this is going to be the red oxide uh, kind of fault. So again, let's pick up this sample and then upload, and then we can test. So after testing, so this is the normal rubbing plus cutting wear we can say. So this is how it is, the same sample. And now let's talk about this sliding wear we can say. If I apply this sample, then upload and then test, so again the normal rubbing plus cutting away. So some things its accuracy is around 100% or more than 90%. So out of 100, so 10 samples will be predicted incorrectly and 90% samples will be predicted correctly. So that's the thing about this one. So this is how we can implement this particular project using convolutional neural network algorithm, and the model can be trained on the data set, and we have observed the whatever the accuracy and other stuff of this particular project. So in case you need a complete code of this particular project, you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.